To sell cryptocurrency on crypto.com. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Accounts section at the bottom. From there, click on the drop-down menu labeled Crypto Wallet to view all of your currently owned cryptocurrencies. Select the one you wish to sell, and you will be taken to a page with a Sell option. Clicking on this will present you with two choices: selling for a different cryptocurrency, or selling for cash or fiat currency. Choose the latter option. Select the fiat wallet you wish to deposit the funds into, and specify the amount you want to sell. You can opt to sell the maximum amount available. After clicking Sell and then Confirm, you will be prompted to enter your passcode. Once the transaction is complete, the funds will be transferred from your crypto wallet to your fiat wallet, which can be verified by refreshing the accounts page.